You're gonna come and shake on me, aren't you?
Yep.
Yeah.
Dude, where did that drill come from? I just washed it off. Now look at you. Look at you.
Look at you. You got it all over your face. Well, I guess we can walk down here a bit. It'd probably be better to walk in behind up there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We could. Yeah, let's
Probably
go that way.
better that way, yeah. Okay. Look at all these rocks they put up, too. This is
What
to...
kind of rock is that?
Well, it almost looks like volcano rock, but it's a shale type. You can see...
Oh, yeah. You can see all the layers.
Like there's probably all kinds of fossils in these rocks.
Wow.
As they break apart pretty easy. These ones anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's so many layers to them.
Yeah.
That's where they find their... Let's see if we can find a dinosaur. Yeah, they look kind of like shale volcano rock, but anyway, they put these all up along the beach to keep the ice from blocking up and flooding everything. So okay, yeah. So there's all these nice little trails in here. I don't want to record kids, so we'll just go in here and what's back in here? Oh, look. Yeah.
You can't go in the swamp. Yeah, let's go.
It's a nice little area to pitch a tent, but I imagine you get eaten alive at night. I imagine there would be lots of mosquitoes. Yeah. What are we at here? 4:25. Okay. I'm gonna stop it.